Are you ready for me? I'm back and I'm not going nowhere, I'm telling you. Listen, grab your pen, grab your paper, or if you're new school, grab your iPad, go grab your tablet or something, because we are about to start a brand new business model in this video. And for those who haven't seen it, woo, you're missing out. £100 business model, it's coming. It is come. I will show you. I will show you. Welcome back to the Minute Hustle. I go by the name Jaden if you don't know me, and today I am bringing you another £100 business model video. If you don't know what that means, basically I'm gonna show you how to start a brand new business for just £100 or less. And yeah, whew, tell you what, the last few months, damn, I've been busy, I know. And I must apologize. I used to upload a lot more frequent than what I do now, but I've just been so busy with so many projects. You know, like I told you before, I've got this app that I'm developing and I haven't had much chance to really focus on it, so I had to take that time to do that. And then I got the music on this side, and then I got the buying and selling on this side, so it's literally just getting to my head. But don't worry, I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. You're my brother and you're my sister. I will stick around for you. I'm not going. So without wasting any time, this is how you can start a brand new business for just £100. So I was digging on my phone, as I do, just looking down, looking online, looking at all them different type of, you know, those like freelancer websites, like the Fiverr and the, what is it? What, pay per hour? Yeah, I was checking them out and I saw some interesting stuff on there, you know, but they're just missing that ingredient that I give, right? So I was looking and I come across this service that people are offering. Now get this, people are offering to be a mobile receptionist. Right? And it sounds crazy, I know it sounds crazy, but basically what it is you take your phone, or however many phones you've got, yeah, and basically you have companies that hire you, and then they basically, you basically handle all their calls. You handle all their calls, you know, you can set appointments and, you know, make bookings and things like that. And I thought to myself, how many hustlers could do that? So I had to share this to you. So look, this person here alone, just this person, is charging £30 an hour to answer people's phone calls, to answer businesses' phone calls. And you know, there's some businesses, yeah, that have people that call in sick. And I know you're one of them people that do that. Yeah, but they have their receptionist calling sick, so they're like, they've gone a whole day without a receptionist sometimes. And this is where this falls into place, and it works perfect for companies, because they don't have to hire people like full-time or part-time. Yeah, they can just take you for the hour, pay you your money, boom, and then it's done. So that's why this really works, yeah. But she's charging like £30 an hour for like a full service. And she's got other prices as well, don't get it twisted, but on average she's looking at £30 an hour. That's insane, just to answer phone calls. So when I saw this, I said, I need to show you guys this, man. This is serious, right? So look, get rid of that. Look, I think there's 4 important things that we need to know when starting a business, right? And I didn't talk about this in the last video, which I should have, because it was a fresh idea and I was trying to work out how I was going to do it and stuff. So look, check this. Yeah? Number 1, your niche. You need to have a niche, or you need to understand the niche, who you're going to be targeting, the people that are going to love or want what you're offering. That's an important thing. You need to understand your niche, because if you don't, then you don't know where you're going to be selling to. So in this respect, your niche would be companies, individuals, people that start like their own businesses. You know, you've got people that start like hairdressers, and don't get twisted, some people call up hairdressers to book their appointments, and I know this because my girl, she be calling her hairdresser all the time. Sure. I know you're watching my video as well, and yes, you do call the hairdresser. Don't lie, which you don't call it. Yes, you I sound crazy, man. Talking to myself, but she knows, and you know as well. Man and women that you call hairdressers and stuff. So there's hairdressers, there's big companies that have secretaries, all those places, dentists, all these places, they all have receptionists. And anywhere that has a reception, hotels, sometimes their receptionist can't make it in, or they need a receptionist. And you know what? The people that are starting businesses from home all want receptionists. That's why this girl that I showed you before on the other screen exists, because people need it, right? So there's a niche for this thing, and if you find that niche, which I'm giving you, I'm telling you, you can make some good money just from just this alone. It's insane. So once you find your niche, you then need to work out marketing. Yeah. Now, some people think, well, how am I going to market that? How do I market that? How do I find the clients? How do I find the people? Look, you can do the exact same thing of what these people are doing. You know, go on the pay per hours. Go on the, what's it called? The Fivers. Go on freelancers. There's one called Upwork. Yeah, go on that, man. Because I'll tell you what, there's people that are on that are charging their prices and they're making the money. But you know what? You can charge it less than them and take in more money. So the third thing, which I personally think is the most important thing to have in a business, is your cost. How much you're going to be spending into this. And as we said, we're keeping it at a £100 limit. Yeah. Now, what you do is you go out and you buy yourself 3 or 4 phones. If you've got a phone, then great, right? Maybe 2 or 3, right? But I wouldn't go more than 4. You only need 4, right? At the max. And the reason I'm saying this is, and you're thinking, what? 4 phones? Listen, you can buy a phone for like £20 now. £25, and they're touch screen as well, smartphones. They ain't expensive, you can just buy them on eBay really cheap, right? Get yourself 4 phones or 3 phones, however many customers you want to work with. And the reason I'm saying this, because if you just have one phone, firstly, you don't want people calling up your number. You ain't calling them, who are you? Who are you? Why are you calling my number? No, I don't know you. Who are you? You're not calling me. You don't want people calling up your number, so it's good to have a separate phone, right? You just put SIMs inside, and that each phone will have its individual. You become a receptionist for like 2 to 3 different companies for each phone, right? So you have your phones, you have your SIMs, and then you look for your companies, which is what you do for the marketing, right? And you tell them, look, I can do it all for you, man. I can answer your calls, I can sort out your bookings and appointments. You know, if anyone's sick, just call me, I can sort that out for you. And I've got years of experience. You can make out you got years of experience. Listen, how many times you pick up your phone and you set appointments for yourself? It's not hard. Anyone can do this, yeah? And then that sort of thing. And if you can either use the calendar, which is inside the phones, to book the appointments for them, you know, so you can set the dates and times so you know what's going on. Or if you've got your tablet, you can just throw it all into the tablet and take it on the go. But this business is so good. It's easy to do. You don't have to be like in an office to do this. You can be anywhere. You could be chilling in the bath, you know what I mean? Just be laying in your bath like this and your phone. Hello. Oh, how are you? You want to book an appointment? Yes. Yes. I will book it for you. How many people? How many people? It's that easy, guys. Seriously, it's that easy, man. So yeah, your cost will probably be about £75, because if you bought 3 phones, yeah, like even if you do 3 people or 4 people, right, four phones is £100 straight there, yeah, £25 each, or you might get them for 20 less, right? But let's go on the basis you buy your phones for like £25 each, yeah. That's 4 phones. There's 4 different businesses you can now run, or sorry, 4 different companies you can now run. See what I'm saying? We need to start talking about prices now, right? So that's the 4th one. Once you understand your cost, the profits, what are you gonna make? The profits. I would charge 10 to 15 pounds, no, not 15 pounds. I would charge 15 pounds an hour, because you're already cutting half of what people do. And if they're charging 25, you're still taking 10 pounds off. And that'll be for the full service. And if you know things like Excel and spreadsheets and all that, man, add it in, because it's not hard to do. Just knock it all in, give them something to make him come to you instead of wanting to go to these other people. But you put your price at £15, that's nice, man. That's easy. That, to me, I will book you. I won't go more than £15 though. You know, if you go £25, try and charge me £25, book someone on Fiverr right now. can sort out my hair next time. I swear to God. I ain't 25. I'll find you. I'm on Fiverr, right? Where's my Fiverr? Okay, I'll show you. I'll go on Fiverr right now. I'm telling you. You ain't charging me £25 just to become a receptionist and answer my phone. Nah, man, I swear to God. Don't charge them too high. Just keep it a good price. £15 is good. You know, any legit company would look at you and say, you know what, £15 is not bad actually. This person's charging 30. Let's try them out. £15. They're saying they can do all this. So just, yeah, stick it at a good price and I guarantee you will start seeing the profits come in. Look, most people when they take on a new company take it full time. They do full-time hours, but you don't need to do that. Let's say you just did part-time and you stuck to 5 hours a day. Yeah? 5 hours a day, that's £75 an hour. Bomba! £75 for working 5 hours a day. That's insane. Imagine if you did that over 10 days now, right? 10 days, 5 hours, 10 days, that's £750. Bomba! That's disgusting, man. In 10 days time, you're making £750. You know, part-time workers make roughly £750 in a month. And you're doing it in 10 days. So you work that out over a month. You do £750 in 10 days. You work out how much you're making in 30 days. That's £2,250. Bomba! That's disgusting. You're making over £2,200 a month doing something part-time, on the go, in your bath, in your car, if you're driving with, you know, hands-free. This is disgusting, man. It's so easy. It's easy money. This business will thrive if you find the right clients, and you know what? You only need about 10 people, 10 clients, and they will keep coming back. I promise you that they'll keep coming back. And you know what? If you wanted to, you could keep adding more clients, more companies to your phones. You see what I'm saying? The way you want to do it, you can add them to the phones, but you need to think smart, because some people, when they call a specific number, they want to know that they're talking to that specific business, right? Which is why I say have each phone for each business. But you know, I think I've been talking too much. If you like what I've just showed you, guys, drop a like, give me some thumbs up. I want at least 5 likes, yeah? And definitely try this one, because I think it can work. You know, I think that it's not going to take long to set up. Grab a few phones. It's a nice business to start, and it's easy. There's some people that don't want to be doing like long hours, lifting things. This is good for the average person. If you're just chilling and you don't want to be doing no heavy lifting or constant long hours at night, you want to spend time with your girlfriend or your boyfriend, you want to spend time with them, this is a nice job to do, man. Yeah? So have a think about it. Give me some likes up. Make sure you smash my subscribe button, which I'm gonna bust in this corner. I'm gonna put my subscribe just there. Click it, click that notifications bell too. Make sure you do click it so you don't miss no